In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Google Merchant Center ID in just 5 minutes. This is an essential piece of information for anyone managing their online store through Google Merchant Center. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the information you need to better manage your digital storefront. To start, open your web browser and navigate to the URL business.google.com/in/merchant center. This is the main entry point for accessing Google Merchant Center and is where you'll begin your search for the Merchant Center ID. If you haven't yet signed into your Google account, you'll need to do that first. Look towards the upper right corner of the screen and click on the Sign In button and then choose Merchant Center from the list of available options. If you're not already signed into a Google account, the website will prompt you to enter your credentials. This is a standard security measure to ensure that only authorized users can access Merchant Center details. On the other hand, if you're already logged in, you'll be taken directly to your Merchant Center dashboard without any additional steps. Once you are inside your Merchant Center homepage, you'll notice some essential navigation tools and information about your business. In the upper right hand corner, you should see your business name prominently displayed. Just below your business name, you'll see a series of numbers. These numbers might not jump out at first, but they are in fact your Merchant Center ID. This ID is crucial for API integrations, troubleshooting with Google support, and various other tasks. For those instances when you need to capture the ID accurately, or if the number appears truncated, simply click on your business name. This action will direct you to your business profile page, where you can see the Merchant Center ID in full. It's always a good practice to double check this number here, particularly if you plan to use it for important tasks like connecting to other Google services or updating your Google Shopping setup. To recap, finding your Merchant Center ID is a straightforward process that begins at the Merchant Center website. Logging in securely and navigating to your business profile will unveil this crucial identifier so you can manage your online store with ease. By following these steps, you'll ensure that you have access to all the necessary tools needed to stay ahead in the dynamic world of e-commerce marketing through Google Merchant Center. And there you have it. Within a few simple steps, you're now equipped with the knowledge to find your Google Merchant Center ID effortlessly. Use it wisely as you continue to grow and optimize your online business. Thanks for tuning in today, and don't hesitate to leave any questions or comments below. See you in the next tutorial.